Today, I'm going to show you how to install the Grammarly extension on Firefox in just a few simple steps. Grammarly is a great tool for checking your spelling, grammar, and writing clarity while you browse. So if you write emails, posts, documents, or anything online, this can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu icon. This is the button with the 3 horizontal lines. Once the menu opens, look for Extensions and Themes and click on it. This will take you to the Firefox Add-ons page where you can find and install browser extensions. On the left side, or in the Add-ons area, click Extensions. This is where Firefox keeps all of its extension options, and it's the section you need if you want to install a new tool like Grammarly. Once you're inside the extension section, use the search bar and type Grammarly. Then hit Enter on your keyboard. Firefox will now show you the Grammarly extension in the search results. Click on Grammarly to open its extension page. Here, you can review the details and make sure you're selecting the official extension. When you're ready, click Add to Firefox. Firefox may ask for permission to install the extension and access certain browser features. This is normal for browser extensions, so review the prompt and then click Add to confirm. After that, Firefox will install Grammarly automatically. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Grammarly icon appear in your browser, and the extension is now ready to use. Depending on your settings, you may need to sign in or create an account to start getting grammar suggestions while you type. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Grammarly extension on Firefox. Now you can start writing with more confidence and catch mistakes faster as you browse the web. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.